Hello students, today we are going to study about error correction. Now, what is this about? It's all about finding out the wrong words or incorrect words or prepositions from the paragraph. You will be given a 4-line paragraph where you have to write the incorrect words one side of each line over here and the correct words at the other side. So let's have a look at the paragraph number 1. I do not recall the exact number of people she feeds every day, but far most outsiders ate with us than the members of our family. So students, over here you can see that there are 4 mistakes. Each line has a mistake in the word. In the particular sentence, each line has, and so therefore there are 4 lines. Now, I do not recall the exact number. What could be the mistake over here? I do not recall. Recalled is given in the past tense. So, you will make a bracket to the word recalled. You will write the word recalled over here. And the correct word should be, I do not recall the exact number. And so, I do not recall. Sentence is in the present tense. I do not recall, it will go, the exact number of people she feeds will not come, student, over here. Of people she fed every day. How many people have been fed every day? And so there is no word called feds but the word fed. And so FEDS is the incorrect word. The correct word over here will be FED, fed. But far most outsiders ate with. Now, but far most outsiders. Over here, the most is a wrong word. It should be, but far more outsiders ate with us than the members of our family. THEN then is a wrong word over here. It should be THAN. Now, let's see the correct paragraph. I do not recall the exact number of people she fed every day, but far more outsiders ate with us than THAN, than the members of our family. Let's see the next one. Let's study now the next. The third one is this. He invited me at his home for a meal. His wife was horrified with the idea of a Muslim boy being invited to dine at her ritually pure kitchen. Now, look at this. As I told you, while reading the paragraph itself, you will realize something is wrong because you will struggle to read the incorrect words. If you are good in English, if you are good at reading and all, then you will be able to find out the mistakes easily. Now, he invited me at his home for a meal. He invited me at. The preposition at will not come, but he invited me to his home for a meal. And so therefore, the word at is the incorrect word and the correct word is to. Okay? And then, second line. His wife was horrified with the idea. His wife was horrified. You will make a bracket to the or. The with preposition is wrong over here. His wife was horrified at the idea. So with is the incorrect word, where there is at is a correct preposition. Of a Muslim boy being invites is not the correct word over here. Of a Muslim boy being invited to dine at her ritually pure kitchen. In the place of at will come in her ritually pure kitchen. Therefore, just have a look at this paragraph. He invited me to his home for a meal. His wife was horrified at the idea of a Muslim boy being invited to dine in her ritually pure kitchen. So students, you saw the question number 1 and 3 over here. The second one I am going to give you as a homework. Look at the second one. I am going to give you as a homework. You can see the second paragraph. From where will you get the correct answer? This is from the unit number 6, My Childhood. And so you will get the correct answers from the chapter 6. In order to get 2 marks, you have to read your textbook thoroughly. Especially, you read your lessons well. Also, if you speak daily English, you will understand. If you communicate with your friends in English, you will understand the mistakes have been given over here and the mistakes which you make while speaking. Let's see one more paragraph. Let's see the one more paragraph. Albert Einstein was born at 14 March 1879. Without any indication that he is destined for greatness, his mother thinks Albert is a freak. His head seemed more too large. Students, while I was reading the first sentence itself, you would have found out the mistake. Now, while doing this editing of the paragraph, you also have to remember that which tense you are reading into. Preposition should be. Normally they give the mistake in the preposition. Sometimes the homophones or same types of words which have the same sound plus the articles are these mistakes given easily. Also in the tense, instead of using past tense or with the past participle, they may not use ed and all. So while reading, you have to be very careful. So Albert Einstein was born at 14 March 1879. The first incorrect word is at. It will not come at. Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 without any indication that he is destined. Now, paragraph is given in the past tense and therefore without any indication that he was destined will come. It will not come he is destined but he was destined. So, is the incorrect verb whereas was is a correct verb over here. For greatness, full stop. His mother think Albert is a freak. Now, his mother think will not come. His mother thought, because it's in the paragraph is in the past tense. His mother thought Albert is a freak. He said seemed. Now, more too large will not come, but he said seemed much too large. His head seemed much too large. So more word will be written over here, whereas the much word will be written over here. So let me read the correct paragraph. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 without any indication that he was destined for greatness. His mother thought Albert is a freak. His head seemed much too large. Now, students, look at the paragraph number 2, which is going to be your homework. Einstein began learning to play the violin by the age of 6 due to his mother. He later became a gifted amateur violinist, maintaining that skill throughout his life. This is the paragraph I am giving you for the homework. You will have to write. I'll just show you this paragraph. Once I will write, you see how it is written. Have a look at it. Answer will be written in the exam in this form. Whereas when you are given a paragraph, you will be writing in this form. At is the mistake in the first paragraph. I told you it will come on. In the place of is, was destined. His mother think is wrong. His mother thought is the correct word. And a freak, he said, seemed more too large. It's much too large. So students, this is how you will be writing the second question also. You will be writing the second question. Here will be the incorrect words. The correct words will be here. The previous paragraph, I am going to show you one more paragraph which will be your homework. Students, paragraph number 2 over here is your homework. I inherited honesty and self-discipline of my father, and from me mother. I inherited faith on goodness and deep kindness, and so does my 3 brothers and sisters. There are 4 mistakes. In each line there is a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4. I already explained you the first and the third paragraph. We already seen the first and the third paragraph. I want you to read the lesson and then see that whether you are able to write the correct answers or no. Students, I am going to stop the class over here. Hope you will do the homework and try to solve similarly more paragraphs from your book. Have a good day.